Good afternoon. I'm Charity. I passed my patente, my theory exam through the help of Sir Ambrish Quick Patente. In case you dey look for place when be say maybe you know as you take pass am, just go Sir Ambrish Quick Patente. I say quick patente, not be long one, because expo day when you go take pass sharp you don't pass, so you don't even need to waste your time. Fast you don't pass. And the class when you dey go sef, everything dey interesting, like you dey enjoy your class and you dey learn. The two they go together. So I dey ever loyal to am because na nice man and he go teach you with peace, with everything jejeje, and you go dey enjoy everything. Sir Ambrish Quick Patente is the surest plug, the surest, 100% the surest.